Yeah, I did not have that much time to prepare. I got a little busy. um, I wanted to leave here the event knowing that everyone got something out of it. So I don't want to bore you with facts and everything, but I do want to bring up three important things. The first is that there's a reason that the Jewish people are fighting for Israel and not Uganda, Africa, or anywhere else. There's a reason the Jewish people have never fully left the land, and there's a reason why the Jewish people feel a spiritual connection to the land of Israel. When we can understand this, it will answer the question as to why we're still here today. Yeah, by the way, I'm reading from this because I had no time to prepare. Why we haven't given up, and why we are still fighting so hard that our soldiers are risking their lives on the front lines for this tiny piece of land. This is bigger than freedom in America. This is family reuniting and coming back home. Unfortunately, the war is not over only the land. Colleges across America are pulling pro-Israel programs. Jews in America are being physically abused in the streets and all over the world, and Holocaust memorials are being vandalized. The list goes on. I'm no mind reader, but I can guarantee that everyone here who heard that list felt something, whether it's anger, shock, outrage. That is because you feel connected. Everyone here is a Jew and Israeli. You may not know the lady who got smacked in the street or been to the shul that was set on fire, but you feel a connection. Each and every one of you has the power to stand up for Jews around the world and make Israel a safer place. Do your homework, do your research, know your identity. From there, you'll figure out the next step. Don't stay back and stay quiet. Speak up and share.